Welcome back to Tech Scout, your source for modern agricultural engineering. In this episode, we'll explore advanced machinery, from heavy tractors to automated harvesters, and discover how precision mechanics drive today's farming efficiency. This bulldozer, fitted with a massive hydraulic rear hoe, fractures dense soil layers. The attachment improves aeration and prepares compacted ground for deep cultivation. A moldboard plow inverts and aerates soil, burying residue while creating uniform seed beds. This essential tillage process enhances soil structure for planting. The mulch film layer precisely stretches plastic over soil rows. It conserves ground moisture, regulates temperature, and suppresses weed emergence. Disc harrows cut and churn the soil surface. Their sharp blades break clods and create fine tilth for seeding. A forage harvester chops whole plants into silage. This preserves high moisture feed for livestock nutrition year-round. This mobile irrigation boom distributes water evenly across fields. Controlled flow prevents runoff and optimizes crop hydration. Field sprayers atomize liquid fertilizers and pesticides, covering large areas quickly. Precision nozzles ensure even distribution and reduced chemical waste. The compost turner agitates organic piles, injecting oxygen throughout the mass. This accelerates decomposition and creates nutrient-rich fertilizer. A flame weeder uses targeted propane burners to kill surface weeds. The method eliminates herbicides and leaves soil structure intact. A modern sugarcane harvester cuts stalks at the base, strips leaves, and feeds clean cane into conveyors, all in a single pass. This harvester lifts root crops from soil using vibrating diggers. The design reduces crop damage while separating soil and debris. Potatoes move along a conveyor system for cleaning and sorting. The process ensures consistent grading before packaging. Tomato harvesters strip ripe fruit from plants, using conveyors to carry them into storage bins. Multi-row harvesters increase efficiency by processing several crop rows simultaneously. They maximize yield during peak harvest periods. This harvester attachment shakes trees with controlled vibration. Nets or conveyors capture olives or nuts with minimal labor. A citrus harvester gathers fruit directly from trees. The system is designed for high-volume orchards. Vineyard harvesters gently dislodge grapes while protecting vines. This mechanized process replaces intensive manual picking. Wood chippers reduce branches into uniform mulch or biomass fuel. High-torque blades ensure consistent chipping output. This baler compresses hay into dense, round bales. An integrated wrapper seals them to preserve forage quality. Forage choppers cut stalks into smaller fragments. The material is ideal for silage and easier livestock feeding. Conveyor belts automate hydroponic lettuce production. Plants move through nutrient-enriched water systems for rapid growth. This unit washes and grades watermelons by size. Automated rollers streamline post-harvest handling. Grain conveyors transport bulk kernels to silos or dryers. The continuous flow improves efficiency in storage operations. Straw spreaders chop and broadcast material across fields or barns. They provide soil cover or livestock bedding. Large-scale sprayers cover wide acres with fertilizers or crop protection solutions. Hydraulic booms extend reach and maximize field coverage. From plowing soil to harvesting fruit, these machines embody agricultural innovation. At TechScout, we showcase the engineering transforming farms worldwide. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into high-tech machinery.